Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of worthwhile. Value or importance. Worth the effort, time and money spent. For example, extra lighting would make a worthwhile contribution to road safety. American pronunciation. Worthwhile. Worthwhile. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Worthwhile. Say. Worthwhile. Worthwhile means worth time, money, or effort spent. Worthwhile. Worthwhile. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Staff feedback proved the event was a worthwhile and valued learning experience. Now, repeat after me. Staff feedback proved the event was a worthwhile and valued learning experience. The second practice. Companies at the Grammy Gifting Lounge said the fee for participation was worthwhile. Now, repeat after me. Companies at the Grammy Gifting Lounge said the fee for participation was worthwhile.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.